Okay, let's starting streaming. Today we're gonna talk about Cloud Mobile. Yeah, something I created to allow me use Cloud codes on my cell phone. Gonna be awesome. So let's just check if everything is working. It's in where we're gonna start. But let me that live we're gonna talk in English, but sometimes I'm gonna talk in Portuguese too. That's something other project I'm working on too. That's not a maybe I was checking. So that. That's a project for another day to show you how to use clothes. Oh, maybe I can show for that project. Mind? Reopen again. Okay, so I've got a link. Have a live today. Copy here. Spotify here. Let's open Claude. Because I did some. So let's open my cell phone. So if you know Cloud Code and if you don't know how to use it yet, I recommend learning how to use because it's awesome. So I have a project here, for example, I'm building something for blockchain, right? So safes project, that one here, in that one. So you see it's like a dashboard working with the safe project, and they work better inside the safe apps. So if we go here and copy that link, paste here, that should be working as a shortcut to open the app inside the safe as a safe app. And I did that front end UI and also the safe app that need a JSON file that I never had before using Cloud Code. It works perfect. I was in the Starknet hackathon uh, in presence, like in real life, and during the event, I was using my phone to work in that front end. Okay, that cannot work. Don't know, but the point is, I built all that stuff using Cloud Codes, everything, and dark mode and not dark mode, light mode. Oh my eyes. Okay, so that works inside. You see, I'm connecting running the safe app. So that's the safe, that the number threshold, and they have a groups. Like you have have a deactivate groups, and have some settings. Also, I can click here like a shortcut to go to Zodiac, and inside the groups, I can connect multiple safes, and then I can sync all the owners cross safes. I can like add new owners, change the threshold, or just change the thresholds, and that project they create a model for each safes install inside. Click in here, so that's installed, active. That one it's waiting for enable, so I can click also here they're gonna go for the specific safe now, open, and should be allow me here, they allow me to enable the module. I think I need to connect first. See, I need to be the owner of that safe. I don't remember if I am. Why it's not connecting? But you got a point. Then they are open here as a pending stuff, and then I can accept that they create a transaction for me. Right. So that project is here in the safe too. I did some modifications. I have another Claude here, and how I work in the project. I have the Tmux here. I create tutorial how to use that Claude Mobile in my notes. It's in Portuguese, but you can use Claude Code to translate. Oh my eyes! Here we have a video how that works, and we have a lot of steps like using terminals, mobile in the phone. Have a server to make a tunnel, and your local machine you just connect SSH. Uh, right, so all the configurations, how to use, etc., etc., etc. Some screenshot from my phone, but I'm gonna share my screen of the phone using the awesome application. Terminals, yes. Here we're gonna share my screen. Put that in number 3, maybe. That's my phone, currently phone. I can close here stuff. And manipulate and share with you. And here I have my terminal, right? I use the Tmux to create a session. But the magic's happening now. I have save 2 here. The project running. I'm gonna call continue because that stopped because of logging. I don't know why. And it's working. Now I'm gonna go to the phone here. So let me check if see everything. Probably. I'm gonna show something like mode safe. I click mode safe. Not see my clicks, but I'll figure out how that works. Why it take too long? Take too much. Connect. My internet is not. Okay. And yeah, I'm gonna try change my network here. One. Okay. Okay, so that's stuff trying. Internet it's working. Here also you can see the Claude Code working. Maybe my SSD SSH it's not active anymore. Bad. Okay, so let's see why it's not working. Oh yeah, we have some fails here. It's in restart require. Memory used, space. also check the alt SSD, if it's or that's the stuff thinking. Yeah, and today the plan is show you how that works. That's a little showcase, but also start a new development, because that way I created stuff. It's not fully it's not fully working as I want, because the Terminus application mobile, it's very good, but it's not perfect. It's missing a lot of stuff I want. For example, most of the UI stuff I want to change or fix, normally in my PC, I just do a print screen and paste in the Cloud Code. But when I'm in the mobile and I print screen the mobile, I cannot paste because I'm not in the same machine, right? I copy in my phone, but the paste cannot go to Cloud Code. In iPhone, maybe it's possible because iPhone share copy and paste cross machines. I could also use something as Gnome share something of space that can works, but it's too much hacky. Too much. So what I want to do is create a specific app to work with the. Okay, I just remember that I'm looking the wrong way. I need to check the serves is running. Checking my machine if that's working. If I connect again, maybe it's back. Let's see, I click again. Okay, so that's the problem. Mode for only failure to listen port 223. And yeah. Normally, that reconnect. But for some reason, not working. Yeah. We're gonna check the errors. Check the errors. We're gonna check the recipe tuner. It's not using any more recipe tuner. That's the old stuff. That's the connection. Running 6 days ago. Running. The service is properly configured. Enable. Failing. 4233. Attempts. 84 attempts to reconnect. Oh, maybe my server is down. No, server is not down. First tuner from server to local machine. Using key-based authentication with the SSH key. Ports already using the remote server. Yeah, so let's copy here. They did check, right? Did check it's listening. Yeah, I have 3 connections. Okay. Yeah. Close wait state. find keys. Why? Deal. No, don't make any sense. Um, username is not right. Okay, just finish stuff into here. Let's stop it. Yeah, that's another reason why I want to create an application to avoid that. So if I create an application for that, most of the stuff cannot be avoided. A good language to do that it's Go or Rust, remote platform. But because I never create something useful in Go, maybe I'm gonna write that in Go. And because I'm gonna use Claude code, they're gonna be very easy to write, and Go is very fast to compile. So I think that's the way to go. So for I don't have a connect. I don't know how to choose that camera. It's a new webcam. Yeah. Clean up successfully. Here, I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna ask my password. For security reasons, I know it's not see my keys, but me. Yeah, that's Cloud Mobile working. Okay. So yeah, now you can see now I have some messaging. I connect again. Yes. So let's get for my injure. Now it's connected. Finally. It's zooming a little bit because I'm using that's gonna yeah. So I'm connecting in my computer, right? But the problem is because I'm using SSH, I don't have access for my terminal that's currently working inside Claude, right? If you go here, I don't have access to that normally. But because I'm using tmux, I can put name and stuff. I can go here and use my shortcut called tmux list. And you can see I have G1, first one, G2, and grok, P, safe, safe2. So if I go TA, safe2, and you can see I have a shortcut here for arrow. I have shortcut for arrow, for tabs, for shift tab, for slash, and I have another list here that I create specific for working better with the cloud code. So if I run here, look at what's happened. I am inside here. Let me change the theme. Go dark. Better. You can see here I have the asking me to do something is the same here. Right. Now inside the mobile phone, when you try access, the TMUX show that stuff, like showing other people it's accessing. So I'm gonna click 1 because I want to accept. And you can see that's calculating. And if you go to the mobile, you're gonna see also calculating. And if I type something here, like, hey, see, hey, hey, you're gonna go see hey here too. Look at that. Yo, yo, yo. I'm typing my phone. Yo, yo. Maybe I can do something like that. You see full screen better. How do I do that? I need to, yeah, maybe by sides here. Look the magic. Left in my phone and right in my computer. And here you see accepting, editing. I'm gonna click Shift tab in my phone here. And they change for plane mode. Plane mode. If I click again, we go for accept editings, plane mode. Beautiful, right? Yeah, it's beautiful. So what's my flow? In the beginning, in the morning, I write some planning, what I want to do and work. And then I get out the house, go to the beach, go to the gym, go to walk, go do something else. And then I have in my phone the way to checking if the project is the Cloud Code is working in the code, and I can like send audio because in my phone I can hear in Gboard go audio and just say something, hello, hello, say something, you're gonna do something, etc. And look at that, in audio. Then I just confirm, and they're gonna do something for me. Yeah, so here you can see they fix the issues. The safe project, right? Function not found. They clean the boot cache, restart the server. And here address input accepting chain now, etc. Fully, etc. etc. And because I ask for Cloud Code run my project, you have see background task here. So you could go bashes. You see I have 2 bashes running. That one clean the cache and then run. You can see that's running. And that's useful because then you can ask for Cloud always restart or check errors. If they find errors, they automatically start fixing stuff. Very, very cool. And I'm not using all the power because I'm not using the power of agents. I have 1 agent here I created, but I'm not really using that one. And you can do much more like with MCPs, for example. I tried to use MCP with Playwright to test front-end UI, but because I'm using Brave with the wallets connected, it's not working. Working more with the Chrome. But then I need to configure the wallet in the Chrome, and I was lazy, and I'm gonna do that later, another day. And when I finish the MCP for UI, then they're gonna go fully autonomous because they're gonna see the fix, they're gonna test the stuff, and they're gonna have more and more time between interactions with that. That's the Cloud Mobile. And what I want to do today is You see, every time I do something here, you see that scrolling. I don't know if you saw. Open here. You see that scrolling stuff? Because I think it's too much text, and the way the Cloud Code works, um, not something natural for terminals. So every time I do something like that, they scroll again. And sometimes in mobile it's even cut. So you see here, they said fixable issues, but here we have old stuff, and probably here I don't have that. Yeah, in that case it's okay, but that you see it's different. Here we see reading shell output next step. Here we have something different. That's probably that one or even before that one. And cut here in the toast, line 108. So I lost that information here. I don't have that information. In most of the time, it's something useful I need to read. I don't have here. So what I want to do is create an application to access SAT, and somehow I don't have that problem. I don't know if it's gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna be possible. But if I can create something like that, it also can have notification system, because here I don't have notification. If I ask for the cloud do something, and my key just disconnected. But if I ask they do something like here, and they stop waiting for me to do something, I don't have a notification. I don't know. So you're gonna be awesome if I have my phone just get a small notification to me knowing that I need to some input. That's gonna be challenging, but I think it's possible. By the way, let's ask him here. Eliminate lines, factor storage based contract. Process trying to create a single storage based contract. Contract completed. Yeah, I'm gonna just yeah. Because they're using verification stuff. And they got the hit because they have tests. That should be nice. Also gonna show that in mobile too. So let's open here. File. Let's close. Also, I can open you one. You don't need to close. Go here. Before using the Terminus version paid, you can have a configuration here to open directly some commands. Here, snippet. You see snippet here? So in the snippet, yeah, I need to upgrade now. But the snippet can run a command to call tmux and open the session directly. So it was very, very useful. Like I create a multiple stuff here and just click and open direct inside the project stopping. But now because I'm not paying that stuff, I don't have that feature anymore. That's the second reason to create an application. I'm thinking create an application using React Native. So here I need to go TL because I don't remember where I want to go. G2, right? TA G2. You go change theme. We can put default. Also, that's another stuff. So if I create an application, custom application, the custom application can identify where I am. Like I'm I can sync with my dark mode here. So if I am dark mode, I want everything in dark mode too. So I can see a lot of features we can create with that. The challenge is create something that works. So let's try that. I'm gonna close here because I think you guys got that, understand how that works. Here I'm gonna just confirm that working, and I create something. Close that one. Wait. One here. Yes, project. I think I create a folder called Claude Mobile. Claude. Oh boy. Here? Oh yeah, that's a Claude mobile already. Okay, let's close. I'm using Warp Terminal. Should have the link for you guys. Maybe I'm gonna put in description. And okay, let me see if I have some messages. My audio is working. Perfect. Okay, so number 2, I don't have nothing. Normally it's cursor. And here we have the product. So in the course, in the Claude, I did some research. It took not 9 minutes to do the research. They create that stuff for us. That's in Portuguese. No, that's in English here. Let's see what they found. They're not complete open source applications compared to Termios. Only outdated components libraries that require significant development effort. However, Flutter offers production-ready alternatives to projects like Serverbox. Okay, but Flutter. Really? I don't want to use Flutter. Serverbox, server status in toolbox. Okay, let's see what they. Nah. Manage server. Yeah, that one looks like using SSD. They are. Oh, SSD term. Okay. They have message push. They have one with. Yeah, maybe that's. Yeah, install server box monitor. Yeah, maybe that's useful for us. Let's see the license. Can we use that license stuff? They don't have license. Okay, so we can use iOS push, webhook push, get push. The apps running the server and monitors the servers. Oh, and Go. Nice. Everything I want. Let's see. Why native iOS project like Blink and Shell and Termux provide a valuable architecture reference. The most viable path forward combines bridge with the proven libraries requiring 6 months to custom development to build a complete. Flutter developed key reference completely active in its application while React Native development solution fragmented libraries. Technology stack for yeah, but Flutter can run in iOS. I think so, right? Flutter, because we need to use iOS. Yeah, they can. I don't know how difficult to do that. Yeah, maybe we're gonna use Flutter. Okay. Uh, I don't like, but I don't care because I use AI. Blink Shell, Ermax, the technology stack for mobile, centered on SSD2 for JavaScript implementation, NMSSG iOS, project from TV Bridger, Xterms for terminal emulations, React Native Keychain for credential security. Understand the landscape down. Okay. Flutter extension for production ready. Yeah. Okay. Okay, they have 400 forks. That's lollipop. Okay, they have issues. Follow system color seeds, but nothing. That's Chinese. Watashi. That's Watashi, right? Um, that's a Chinese. That's Chinese. Arahanzi. virus. It's working, right? Because you can see, yeah, and I don't care for that stats. What I want is the terminal. Okay, can we test that? Like, can I download in my phone and test that? How I test it? Screenshot. Thanks for Dart SSG to next. So Dart was not the language. Pure Dart. If you just easy to. Okay, that looks good. MIT license. Rewrite. Pure Dart. Execute commands. Spawn shell. Set environment variables. That's awesome. Pseudo terminals. Authentication forwarding. Nice. So maybe I can just use that one. Yeah, that's the shell. Hmm. Nice. What it is? Oh, it is built with the Dart. Okay, we have Dart shell. Client. Okay, for Mac OS. No, not a iOS. What is no ports? Connect any device with no external list. Connect to any device with no external listening port. We do the reverse PSD3 clause. Fusion assortment. Conditions. Okay. Yeah, contain Dart line. Filter desktop app. Hmm. Okay, let's see the site, website. Right in Dart. They can attack what they can't see. Hide your critical network service, including private AI, MCP servers, and IoT device from bad actor. Hmm. Okay, looks cool. Let's go back here. Okay, they they did all the research here. Damn. In TV plus. Yeah, they did all the native mobile clients into best practice. Link, shell, premier iOS clients. Much. Okay, let me. Sure. Leave stable stars using GS. Terminal emulation. Too much dependency. Okay. Conclusion. Flutter leads mobile reactivity requires significant investment. Yeah, let's go Flutter. Approach combines something. Okay. Go Flutter. Go. Go. Repeat that one. So the app will do. No, 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 no. No. Yes. 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 Filter. I'm gonna do Dart. Extern. Secure storage. Biometric storage. 5. We go. Third server if needed. Server for 2 news. Cool. In Go, I thought that, that the app will help copy and paste images. And also the alt as now. The app in Go in the computer. Great. Yeah, 2 apps. Mobile. Yeah, terminals like. Yes. And the Go desktop local machine. Yeah. Yes. 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 Architecture. Yeah, we can install SSD. Keys. Configure. Send. VPS. Yeah, it would be nice if I have another version for my server. Select 3 apps: server, the desktop, and mobile. So people don't know, people that don't have VPS can use my VPS. It's gonna be secure. Maybe it's a way, has a way to do security, because the connection between secure, but to connect to my SSD. No, it's possible. I'm gonna have like a website, and they can generate. I can generate the SSD keys, and then I can revoke if I need it. Yeah, people are gonna pay like subscription, and The only problem they need to trust my server because my server gonna access the computer. Right? Yeah. Because my server need to have the keys to access the computer for the people. Mm. Okay, but let's start with the that working for me first. Because if it works for me, then people can run the same setup in their computer. Right. Then gonna be open source and free if people want to run. And if people don't want to run by self, then they can pay me for running for them. I think most people gonna just run because it's more secure. Computer app, mobile, connect, terminal. Hmm. So go app. Okay. Answer everything in English. I think. And so I need a app for mobile, desktop, server. Let's focus the basic feature that is which terminal work very well with Cloud Code and thinking oh, auto run in the start in the post also biometric avoid passwords. Yes, MVP for filter direct connections. So rich terminal for clouds. Key biometric terminal. Let's integrate. I even don't know how to create a filter. I use Android Studio. How that works? Get started. Okay, I can use VS. Nice. Uh, VS install flutter, create a new flutter. Go like that. Okay, gonna let Claude Code do everything because I don't need it. Okay, so give me the plan for a give to Claude Code. That's the database. It looks solid. Yeah, I think we need to start with the phase one. That's the mobile. And that should be very, very good because we don't need more than that to test. And then later on, oh, that's the planning? Give me inside the artifact. Stop. Stop. They should be doing artifact. Right. Phase one. Start. Firm. Filter. All. Define the structure. Additional tasks. Data models. Okay. We're gonna too much. Too much. Don't need too much code. Go keys. Let's see somebody lost a script. Gonna be cool. They have a lot of options. Okay, let's copy. Let's go in plain mode and paste. And let's go VS Code. Normally I use insiders. VS Code insiders. Maybe I need to update that. Those in here. Projects, code file, open. That's gonna be number 2. And the sides is wrong, right? I like that one. Because it's too. I don't remember how I installed that app. Checked. Yeah, save and downloads. Sudo codes. No, wait, not codes. Sliders. That one. This. Also, it's gonna be nice if in the application I create a way to unlock my computer with the biometric, because so annoying typing password. How I do that? To Check the biometrics. In the biometric, decrypt something. It's like a password to decrypting, where the password is. Then paste the password. It's not too safe. Yeah, it's not. They can pass in somewhere. That's not. Okay, gonna figure out that later. Yeah, let's go. Let's restart that. Let's reload the thing. Camera is going half my face. Yeah, that's okay. Let's close that one and create a new one in the same path. Open here. Nice. Okay. Here. Okay, see, they did a lot of stuff. Here, chatter, build order, Flutter app first, go 3-6 months later. Web socket with the bearer token out. Security, clipboard, sync secret, encrypt in transit, key phrases, user experience, quick connect, team, testing, server. Okay. So let's start the app, and the app will connect to the current infra. In case it's to, I don't know. Okay, I think here I need to go to extension and maybe trailer release or release version. Yeah, I trust it. Here it gets needed stuff. I think just installing Flutter should be enough. Okay, here. They suggest how to work. Project Flutter create Claude SS terminal. Claude configure spec structure implementation model. Let's we need the database now. No, we don't need database. Service layers. Okay, let's think a little bit. Now we can go very simple. What is a river pod? River. UI. SSA connection flow. Private key station. Right. I have a private key. I'm gonna create a new one. I think it's more safe. The mobile need to create, right? And then I need to say send the public to VPS. Yeah. Okay. We can go more simple. Don't need. No. Let's go to database. I think database is gonna complex. Importing multiple. We need to create keys to be added. The case is VP or to user their name open generate keys, copying public key SST to server, manually add the key preference app, add the hosts, select key. Yes, looks good. Yeah, user add to the server. They connect the echo publicly for authorize. Looks good. Yeah, in the future, I'm gonna create an application that I'm gonna put that out of. So they have all the plan. Let me check. Can we create project footer inside that footer we already? I always go to plane mode. So you can see they're gonna create all the application for us. Yeah, they can run create Claude in here. Nice. And the funny story is we can go for my phone and we cannot do that because I'm not in Tmux. So before we starting, let's start first. Oh, we don't have Flutter. They don't have Flutter commands. They're gonna install Flutter for me too. Yeah, I don't think I have Flutter. Yeah, they're gonna install. Gonna clone Flutter. Let's cancel. Now I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna create a tmux call Claude. Now inside the tmux, I'm gonna go Claude resume back where we stopped. Now we can go continue. Then here, mobile, and we can see we have two connections. already, but I can create a new one. Theme. Theme it's not on here. I go list. Yay to body. Nice. Which method you prefer, or you like to me to proceed with one of the installations? Run Flutter Docker. Run Flutter Docker. Check dependency. Install project documentation. Yeah. You see, that's cut here. Not complete. Oh, that's option 1, 2, 3, right? Let's see here. You can start with the snap. Manual install with the git. Pre-built binary. Yeah, what the documentation says, because documentation is normally going the right way, like installing stuff. Launch extension. Okay, let's go in that way. Just because oh, it's updating my list. Here we install, and they said to go Flutter new project. Then they go download this. Select folder for Flutter SD. How many gigabytes is that? Yeah, new project, downloads, install, clone Flutter. 2 minutes. We get the path. Really? If you agree, okay. Reopen all terminals, restart VS. Okay. So he's installing within Brave. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna time. I don't believe that's 6 minutes. That's gonna take. That's right. Create a new app. Templates. Run your app on the web. Oh, like the device Chrome. Start debugging. That's useful. Try how to reload. Oh, so I don't need to use my phone to test. I like Flutter now. Okay. I think that's gonna be, see how many downloading. Then the docs way. Any I wrote everything wrong, but cares. It's working here. Oh, that's so 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, maybe it's 3 minutes. Check something. Doctor, doctor. See if they have CLI. Because downloading the SDK, it's not guaranteed that they have a CLI. I don't like stuff that downloads without telling me how much gigabytes of internet take. Okay, here gonna ask for my password again. Oh, you don't afraid to use a password inside the something AI? Oh, but it's not open source. It's not something that's gonna. Okay, now they said how much, but I cannot see. But it's pretty fast, so happy. Here, I think it's 400. Okay, Flutter is stalled. Nice. Okay, now we are talking about. That's the SDK, right? 4 minutes. Wait, I don't know. That looks like the SDK, right? And I'm downloading twice total time, and that's seconds. That's minutes. Okay, maybe I'm gonna download twice. Hmm. Speed. 2 minutes left. Let's ask. And is what? Hmm. I don't think that's the SDK. I think that's the Flutter. I think they install something to check and download. Proper. Maui quick. Now download the SDK. Received. Oh, total. Also, that's SDK. Ah. Oh, here. Let's not sell that one. Okay, it's too much close to consult. You're gonna looping? You're gonna Now let's cancel everything. See what's happening. Oh, much more. 5 GB. Damn. Damn. Fredo. Maybe you're gonna screw up because I try install twice. Maybe. Oh, they brought my phone, my desktop, my web. Okay, that's the right way, I think. Let me copy everything. And say nice. Okay. Perfectly self-installing system is Doctor output for Android, for Linux, Ninja. Okay, let's install. Ah, Ninja is required for Linux development. Let's install Ninja. Oh, they need to. The DPK, right? They're gonna fail and they're gonna remove stuff. Target. Okay, so if you go Flutter, new project. Okay. So I cannot. Okay, maybe I need to restart. And then new project. Great. So application with script comment and test empty. The good about full application, they're gonna show some good patterns. Module, package, a plugin. Yeah, let's go application. That folder. Claude. Claude, because I think it's gonna create another folder. Okay, let's cancel. You're gonna finish. Oh boy. Stop. Oh shit. Let's go. Maybe I should uninstall. Yeah, two floaters. Yeah. So remove the floater noise map, please. Yeah, don't do that, guys. Go for the VS Code documentation. the footer doctor fix bit path. Yeah. Bit path. And that VS. Maybe it's already there, but need to refresh. Run source. You're gonna check for me if that's already there or not. Oh. Dangerous. Why? My reload, right? Search, source. Muy bueno. Perfect. For Linux, yeah. Okay, that's not working. Keep the process holding. Okay, that's happening. Really? Oh, still working. Oh man, that's updating everything in my machine. I hope that don't break my machine. I'm not gonna cancel that. Oh, that's finished. Oh, they updated even the kernel. Oh boy. Team viewer. Yeah. I was trying to avoid update stuff. Oh, that break. Yeah, now I think it's canceling. That can be. Okay, let's see what they created here for Linux. I have some C++. I have some C plus. Let's C plus. My application, first frame. They have a plugins. They can register. Okay. And then we have Android. Gradle. Yes. Java. Really? Yeah, I used Gradle in the past. Oh, Microsoft now? Claude Android. We have the app. We're gonna have the main. Uh, Of course, we can write in Java for plugins, right? Here, Kit, it's some plugin for that one. I have colors. KTS. KT. KT. Recommend. We have MCP servers. Serena. Android, Windows Web icons. Right, so if I need to create something as activity, create here, right? But it's the main project. What it is. What is that? What the fuck is that in my audio? Something changed here. Okay, nothing here. Fixed. Failure. Connect GDF fork test. Nice. Hmm. Okay, let's go. Yeah, Claude. Now we're gonna go Claude again. New session. And go init. No, we cannot kill that stuff. So much stuff. Updating. Secure boots. Why the some KMS? Setting complete. Chaos. A lot of locales that don't need it. Why? Okay, they finish in the ManDB with the new versions. Done. Gates. Really? Just stop. Look at that. I guess that's yeah. Dev. Okay. Change the kernel, I think. Booting new kernel. Yes. Iteration. Mm, Windows, really, I don't know how to write. I think to build a Flutter for iOS, you need to open. Oh, use a runner. Oh, just for Android. Let's see. Kotlin. Wait. Kotlin? If I remember correctly, for Android it was Java, then Kotlin. Ah, that's Kotlin. Oh, so Flutter it's like a framework. Wait. What's the official? Don't have official. Okay, I trust without trusting. Ah, Java Kotlin. Write your first app. First flutes. Learn more. For Android, more reactive. Applying your so web developers maybe. Flutter box sizing box border box. You're gonna go damn stuff. Have layout, text shapes, Xamarin. Okay, we have a div, we have a CSS. Here we have a container, and we have like C. Okay. Oh, okay, let's. Damn. Okay, that was terrifying. That was terrifying. Oh, Ninja. That's a whole doctor. It's missing something yet. OS, Android. Android device. Command line tools component is missing. Try install update Android Studio. Download the tool only. Make sure that set Android home environment variable. I don't have Android Studio anymore, right? Things. Chrome for Linux for Android Studio now install. Missing. The text draw. Yeah, but not. Okay. We can go now here. Yeah, they create for the projects. Run, run, build, run. Start formats. Oh, I closed the planing. Okay, I can go exact. I go Claude resume. Oh, don't have anymore. Yeah, because it wasn't the. Okay, can go there. All right. Let's do the project. Let's start. Write the plan. Plan. Okay, so the side. Yeah, I'm gonna need to create a plan. Wait. Uh, just copy and paste the plan. Because yeah. Yeah, create a slash command is cool, right? Like not. Oh, that's the sound we heard. I heard. Really heard. With me. Hmm. Place not found. Ah, I lost my stuff. One here. What? I can use a warp too. For that, maybe it's better. Let warp fix that stuff. Yeah, it's not. Oh. Okay. I think I did something there. Okay. Because the installation basically it's cloning. Okay, that run. And let's to test the test. Perfect. Configuration is now working. See? Now with the reloads. Okay. Now copy. Alt. Claude. Copy again. Maybe resume. Here. Go documentation. Start. I was playing. Sure. Here's the plan. Solid. I'm gonna take the message now. Go for training again. Good point. Let me check the grid structure for changes. Yeah. Go check. I think I need to go warm my tea. Current state, fresh Flutter project with the only main dart was inside lib. So lib, that's the main. Inside lib. Okay. Now we are talking about the stateless. Yeah. So they're gonna do all the stuff and I'm gonna go downstairs for my tea and you're gonna see I'm gonna work in my mobile phone. You're gonna see magic happen in your eyes. Means that I'm on the mobile phone now. You see, I'm right there. Already ask me to do something and just confirm in my phone. Be right back soon. For my tea and keeping working. I'm back. Banana. Some peanuts. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Let me ask to another Claude. How we can fix. Not fixed, but I don't like the dot dot dots. Why? There's a lot of dots. Connect to my session. Okay, here it's already done. Perfect. I completed the foundation for this terminal. Here with implement appendices. Other structure. Also, I need to commit stuff here. I'm gonna ask to initialize each. They have models. Yeah, they create a lot of stuff. Create models, part, or G. Oh, they're gonna be generated automatically. They, they have a they don't have a providers. Don't know how that works, but keys. They have a screens. Ah, they're gonna build screen. Or they can generate the pair for me. Okay. Next step. So dependencies generated adapters. After running this command, you can build the UI screen. The architecture is ready. Okay, you want to, they can run. Can run. The dots we're seeing on the right, the mugs caused by terminal size mismatch between different clients connected to the same session. Oh, makes sense. What's happening? Want to connect with this malware's terminal window, like a phone. Solution: detach other clients. Force all clients to detach except current. No. Set aggressive resize option helps when switching between windows. Everyone resizes their term. Add dimensions before attaching. Check current constraints. Can yeah, run boy. Not bad founding. Okay, they not found because wait. Footer. With footer. here. Maybe you're gonna use the full path. Yeah. Nice. Downloading the packages. Install. Now they're gonna generate stuff. Maybe because I need to restart the terminal. That's why they no work in Flutter. Run source to Flutter. Okay, they're gonna building the G. That's the database. I can go 12. What the fuck is show? Like exporting? Damn. Box base. Okay. They fuck they create a getter? Oh, I see. Remember C sharp. Yeah. Okay, nice. Let's find some errors. They're gonna fix that errors. So I think the way to use the Dart change it over time. Now he's checking the source code to be sure that's the right way to use. Yeah. Yeah, let's initialize a repository here. Or see the git ignore should be good. Let's commit as initial shell close. Really? Then metadata, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna trust here. Oh, what's to be committed? Working? Oh, because I'm in VS Code, not in cursor. Okay, initial. Nice, 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 nice. Ready to be the UI? Yes, please. Okay. They're gonna start building the UI. Publish. Publish. Load the keys. Box is the database, right? What is box? Here's what I think it is. Hive box. I think it's hive box. Space. Yes. Ah, I see. Box. Then we go here, and that's the name for the name type fingerprint public key create at. Okay, beauty UI host list, add a hot screen, or to manage a full terminal. Yeah, that should be enough. And phase 2, yes, phase 3, go 1, because I want to test to finish that live. Here they fix, let's commit that. Fix it. Future, it's like a sync. Yeah, I see here. So that's the return. Okay. Okay, they're gonna start the screens. So the data consumer widget. Mm, mm, all right. I don't know what is river pod, but looks like it's like a way to build stuff. Let's see. River pod. In the documentation, it should be subestimado. Active caching and data binding framework. Uh, river pod board suggestion. F sync. It did a get response. Then the decode and return. So that's a reactive. So use ref. F is here. Compiler. What? Perform a switch case on the result. I think I got. Yeah, that's the declare share state from anywhere. So we have a class count extend from something count. Then we have a function called build. Return a number. The full probably 0. It's extending. Then you have increments. Let's change the state. Okay, consumers consumes the share state and rebuild when it's changed. We have a consumer title. Then we count, we get half what counter provider. Where they come count provider. Just because it's a hyperpod. Automatically it's a term provider that return accounts. Every time I increment, that's gonna change automatically. We compute states rebuild UI only when needed. Do providers. Okay. Wow. Okay. Any collisions? You can use S, true, false. Okay, seeing stuff. Testing again. Not used. Remove, it gonna works now. Analyze. Yes. Now. Ó, o Lucas aí. Lucas, que faz? Saudade de você, velho. É que você tá aí ainda? Deixa eu ver. Computador. Sim, né? Estou fazendo marreca. Mágica. Tô aí. Olha esse absurdo aqui. Não deve ter te mostrado isso. Look at that. Eu estou usando o Claude Code para fazer meus códigos agora, né? Porque ele é absurdo de bom. E eu posso rodar ele no meu celular. Vou conectar no cabo aqui. E aí na live eu já mostrei algumas vezes eu fazendo isso, mas vou mostrar ao vivo. Sabe, faz ao vivo, é assim que fala. A live foi inteira em inglês. Agora que eu comecei a falar em português. Olha isso. Isso aqui é meu celular, né? Lindo e belo celular. E eu tô rodando esse mesmo terminal que tá aqui. Então se eu digitar no celular, thanks. O que aparece aqui desse lado. E se eu apagar aqui, apaga do lado de lá. O que me permite que eu faça o quê? Começo um trabalho aqui, saio de casa com o celular na mão e continuo trabalhando. Porque eu conecto via SSH. E hoje, além de explicar como isso funciona, eu tô criando um aplicativo para substituir essa minha gambiarra que eu fiz, que funciona muito bem, mas pode ser muito, muito melhor. Tá na Rádio Peão. Fiquei sabendo, imagina Lava Sua, tá na Rádio Peão, isso aí. Peão é ótimo. Eu tô sem meu chat, abre meu chat aqui. Tô usando a webcam que o Isaac me deu, porque eu não ia poder usar o celular. Ficou bom. Ei, virou meu celular. Como é que eu abro o chat? Eu dou live primeiro. Tá, vamos ver se terminou aqui enquanto isso. Ah, abriu aqui, ó. Você pega o resultado do prompt. Resultado do prompt? Tipo, se estiver fazendo um front ou back, você vê o resultado do prompt. Ah, no Cloud Code? Vejo. Só vejo o resultado final. Ele faz as mudanças aqui, né, de arquivo. As tretas que ele mudou aqui, que ele corrigiu. Mas geralmente o que eu faço, eu dou comandos para ele, ou ele sabe, descobre comandos que ele pode verificar se o código está certo. Ele verificou, tinha erros, tinha erros, tinha erros, tinha erros, até ele encontrar o problema e resolver. Falou, ó, completou o back-end do aplicativo, completou as telas e agora a gente vai ver pela primeira vez. Eu nunca rodei um programa em Flutter. Vamos ver se ele é bom o suficiente para fazer isso. Rode de run for me. Pedi para ele rodar para mim. Pelo céu. Tá na rua e manda o prompt pelo céu, ele resolve. Isso. Eu mando áudio ainda por cima. O áudio, eu posso vir aqui. Ó, ele parou, tá vendo? Ele tá pedindo pra confirmar aqui no celular. Geralmente eu olho, ele parou, confiro, dou OK. Mas se eu preciso dar um comando extra, eu venho aqui, mudo meu teclado pra voz e falo um monte de coisa pra ele. Falo, ó, você verifica se o negócio tá certo, blá 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 blá, e pimba. No áudio. Foi porque foi, mas não foi porque ele tá pedindo número um de novo aqui. Tem que apertar número um de novo. E aí o texto deveria aparecer ali, mas não apareceu. Não vai, não vai mandar o áudio porque ele tá parando aqui. Olha, ele encontrou 3 devices aqui, ó, que legal. Android, Linux ou Chrome. Ah, tô com o Linux na mão, o Android anda aqui na mão. Testar no Android. Ele falou, vou rodar no Android, ok. E vamos confirmar. Não pergunte mais sobre isso. Ah, eu perdi o chat agora, né? O áudio é brabo. Não, o áudio é absurdo. O áudio é ridículo, porque na rua você não. É muito prático, né? Você mandar um áudio do que ficar digitando. Vamos ah, talvez a versão web era mais rápido, né? Testar a versão web. Eu nem sei se tem o Java instalado. Try the web to be more fast to test. O que eu escrevi lá apareceu aqui também. Vai procurando no YouTube, o YouTube tá aqui. Vamos ver se funcionou. Vou baixar um web SDK. Vou estar fazendo build pro Chrome. Se eu quiser ver detalhes do que ele está fazendo aqui, tem os comandos, né? Ctrl-O, por exemplo. Eu consigo ver em detalhes o que ele está fazendo. Mas normalmente eu uso Shift Tab para mudar para o modo de planejamento, que o modo de planejamento ele é absurdo de bom, nem se compara com o cursor. O pessoal fala, você comenta assim, tá usando Claude? A pessoa, tô usando Claude no cursor. Nem se compara com Cloud Code. Prompts que eles criaram para o planejamento é ridículo de bom. Ok, ele achou a versão 3.5 compatível com 3.9.2. Atualizar para a versão 4. Ok, why not? Why not? E aí eu tô trabalhando em outro projeto aqui também, que ele fez tudo pra mim, ó, já até disse que arrumou aqui. É... What the test is... Esse Solidity, esse aqui. Esse aqui eu nem preciso mais. The error still exists. Acho que não, já foi resolvido. Aqui também já tá pronto. Tá dando ainda? Tá em next. Pode fechar, porque eu já entendi o que é. Ah, é, instalar o SDK do Android. Android. Agora eu vou de web. Acho que foi, hein? Deu problema. Vai rodar. Rodou em Chrome. Tá rodando em background. Será que abriu o Chrome em algum lugar? Dormiu por 20 segundos esperando a conexão do debug servers. Deixa eu ver esse aqui. Tô usando. Caramba. Deixa eu olhar. Tô usando o try. Isso. Ah, eu acho. Uma ideia, né? Gostando. No Code você consegue rodar 2 agentes prompts em paralelo? Sim, tô usando vários aqui. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vários Claude. Vários Claude. Vários. Abriu o Chrome. O nosso aplicativo aí. Ó, cadê a tela? Será que demora? É novo, é? Não tem isso no cursor, não. Não tem isso no Curso no Try. No Surf. O quê? Abrir múltiplos. Abrir múltiplos sessões? Tem sim, pô. Você abre várias abinhas lá, né? O nosso aplicativo. Você tá louco. Vou botar mobile aqui. Nossa, velho. Ficou bonito, hein? Ô, louco. Não tem que ir. Ah, é o que eu expliquei, né? Eu tô usando o Terminus aqui. É um aplicativo fodástico para SSH. Muito foda, muito complexo, muito completo. Mas tem uns bugzinhos que me incomodam. E essa minha gambiarra, tipo, derrubou minha produtividade com essas questões. Então eu tô criando uma versão de SSH próprio para conectar com o Cloud Code. Não só Cloud Code, mas com o curso CLI, que o curso também inventou um CLI, né? E agora é o jeito de fazer as coisas. Eu não lembro qual das três era. Três sessões. Tá. Então esse aqui a gente vai adicionar uma sessão. Esse aqui é para gerar chaves. Esse que eu quero. Gerar a chave. Botar o nome da chave, chamar Lucas. Chave privada ele vai gerar, não? Já? Eu tenho que importar? Quero importar, eu quero girar. Mas se ele altera sem precisar reiniciar, é top. Sucesso. Rodando na porta tal. Você pode ver os logs debug services. Blá blá blá. Ah, tem um DevTools também. O que é esse DevTools? Hum. Oh. No, thanks. Tá, entendi, eu acho. Modern Network. Size. Bem legal. Tá bom. Pro go back adiciona new host. É, adiciona. Adiciona por padrão host. E não vi opção de gerar as chaves. Quero colar private key, eu quero gerar private key. Muito melhor, né? Mano, precisando marcar um café. Bora marcar um café, pô. Domingo, o que eu vou fazer amanhã? Vídeo coisas novas de você também. Tamo mesmo. Vamos se atualizar. Como tá o mandarim? Mandarim não, pô, japonês. Nihongo. Nihongo tá ok. Ok, Nihongo. Nihongo ni ok. Aqui, ó. Duolingo. Olha o meu Duolingo aqui. Pegar as frases que eu já sei, ó. Enchi, né? Falar sobre hobbies, escrever comidas, os present tenses, os simples que eu aprendi. Tem aqui frases, né? Ichiobi yani tudo. Aqui ele tá falando que no sábado, o irmão mais velho. E o que, Douga? É vídeo. Assistiu o vídeo. No sábado assistiu o vídeo com. Erros, as frases, ó. I sleep around 10:30 every night. Eu durmo por volta das 10:30 toda noite. Seria Maiban em japonês. Seria Maiban Ju, Jujihan Goro Onemasu. Bom, do, do aquele esquema de bar lá que o pessoal pratica idioma. Pra colocar ferro e fogo. Tô no LinkedIn, tô firme no inglês, boa. Hackathons em Tóquio. Nossa, com certeza, hackathon em Tóquio vai ser top. Aliás, fui ver uma casa em Ratones hoje, a Helena. Cara, absurdo a casa. Muito top. É, problema, não opção de girar SSH, somente importa, não padrão pré-configurado. Adicionar Key Generation, yes. Ela tá vendo o sistema de planejamento dele? Já planejou, o que eu faço? Confiro. Se eu precisar alterar, eu clico No. E eu falo o que precisa fazer. E eu auto-aceito todas as mudanças. Raramente eu tenho que usar a opção de aceitar as mudanças de acordo com o que ele vai fazer. E tem outro projeto, tá dizendo que tem 7 falhandos. Aí ele tá dizendo que vai a parte 1 para fixar com 4 testes. Diamond Face Configuration After the Contract Update Setup. Import Configurator. Create Configure Instance After. Fix Factory Test. Replace the invalid array literal encoding. Remove the double encoding. Properly encode the address array using text. Okay. Deixa eu trabalhar aí. E aqui ele mostrou quais os testes estavam falhando. 88 passou, 7 falhou. E function do not exists. Aqui. E EVM error revert. Prototopian. Ele provavelmente vai corrigir aqui. Cara, comprei um adaptador USB-C e outras entradas pro ano. Tá demais o monitor. Como assim? Peraí, como assim? O monitor do Mac caiu a qualidade? Ah, adaptador HDMI. Conectou o seu Mac numa tela, num monitor. Hum, investigou o que ele encontrou. Mas, justo. Ok. Cut. Bom, sabia que podia acontecer isso no inferno. Mas é porque o monitor do Mac é muito bom, né? Tela retina. Aí você bota um monitor qualquer, a pessoa acha que a imagem tá uma porcaria. Já esfriou de novo. Olha a minha caneca da NASA. Tá vendo na câmera? NASA Space International. Legal, né? Pode comprar uma também. É da NASA. Muito bom, né? Minha cara tá em cima do texto. Tá, ele tá trabalhando aqui já terminou, né? Ó, já terminou. Mudanças foram feitas. Vamos ver se ele alterou automático aqui. Ó, sumiu o negócio aqui. Não sei. Será que tem que reiniciar? Reiniciar é meio triste, né? A porta é a mesma. Hum, hum. Crash the browser pressiona R. De terminal. O Flutter está rodando para hot restart e ver as mudanças. Ah. Press R for me. Ele tá rodando o terminal aqui. E aí, como eu falei para ele pressionar R, toda vez que ele fizer alteração, eu posso falar para ele memorize. Vamos ver se vai funcionar. Ah, ele matou o shell. Matar o shell não, né, velho? Ele não pode enviar input direto pro background. Limitações. Aperta R pra mim. Você riu, né? É que eu não podia apertar R. Não consigo ter acesso ao bash. Clica pra mim ali. Ai, cara, eu vou ter que dormir. Eu tô num streak de 12 dias. Acho que 12 dias acordando cedo. Hoje eu inventei de fazer live, talvez eu quebre meu streak. Ou não. Tá, ele vai subir de novo. Tá, eu tô começando a pensar que eu vou rodar o comando do lado de fora externamente. Porque já que ele roda analyze pra checar código, eu não preciso que ele rode pra mim. Aí eu posso apertar R depois. Muito bem, vou clicar em adicionar. Ah, era nova chave. De brincadeira, né? Porra, tá de sacanagem, né? Pra gerar nova SSH, roda isso no computador. Porra. In App Key Generation coming, coming soon. Vou acordar cedo da vida. Acordar cedo é top. Rendi muito o dia. É... Assim, ó. Pô, você tá de sacanagem. Viu? Pra gerar no PC, velho. Eu não sei. Não. Ah, ele tá rodando a versão web, né? Na versão web vai ser uma forma. E o Felipe Novaes XYZ, blá blá blá, não apareceu. É, eu tô achando que ele não vai conseguir, não. Assim, ele vai ter que instalar uma biblioteca para girar as chaves no navegador. E uma para gerar no Android e uma para. É, esse é o problema de multiplataforma, né? Mas é isso, é a vida. Problemas. Soluções. Cripto, router. Era host automaticamente quando a primeira chave for gerada, não apenas importada. Ah, ele ia criar automático quando fosse. Só o botão para criar host padrão, se não existir. Nem te falei. Não mesmo. Falei. Estou colando Swift. Estou colando Swift pro. Ah, codando Swift pro relógio. Já consigo criar um app que troca dados entre relógio e iPhone. Top. Agora com Cloud Code você vai codar isso aí com a mão nas costas, né? Parece que ele vai criar a chave agora, hein, ó. Dá uns radix aqui, ó. Então, os private aqui. Agora vai. Não random seed secure. Será que é seguro isso aqui? Será? Será? As dúvidas. Esse seed é seguro. Mas a pessoa vai ter sempre a opção de importar, né? O celular tem enclaves, né? Dá pra rodar dentro do enclave, mas... Se o cara for muito paranoico, ele importa. Navigator pop. Scaffold messenger off. Show snack bar. Será que é seguro? O app no relógio é top, né? Pô, sabe o que você pode fazer? Pegar esse meu aplicativo aqui e criar, estender ele para a versão do relógio. Aí você não vai fazer vibe coder no celular, você vai fazer vibe coder no relógio, com áudio. E é absolutamente ridículo. Já pensou? Tá correndo lá, vibrou, confirma. 10 minutos de novo. Oh, blá 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 blá. No fone, assim, ó. Bate no seu fone. Já fala no fone. Você tá só conversando, correndo. Vamos fazer atualizações do seu aplicativo. Você gostaria de fazer redeploy? Yes, please. Acabou, velho. Esse é o futuro. Pois é, você será o primeiro. Primeiro. O primeiro. Eu fui do celular, você será do. Depois vai ter gente no óculos, né? Do Facebook Glasses. Mano, no relógio deve ser muito mais top, velho. Eu já tava achando top no celular, no relógio é muito mais. Nossa, é ridículo, cara. Bora amanhã? Pode por aí? Bora, bora. Pra onde? Fazer? É, então. Bora, né? Podia fazer em live ainda por cima. Mais cedo, né? Porque esse horário não dá. Mas. Tá quase pronto essa bodega aqui. Você tem Mac? Eu preciso de alguém do Mac pra rodar esse código em iOS, porque eu acho que esse código aqui, a parte do código em Dart, iOS, só vai rodar em iOS, porque tá vendo? Tem o Xcode Proj aqui, tem o Workspace deles. Aí é o seu amado Swift aí, ó. O belíssimo Swift. Essa função ainda existe, né, no iPhone. Did you finish launching with options? Boa. Tá muito. Você tem certificado de desenvolvedor? Tem, né? Você tá conseguindo fazer deploy? Top, hein? Porra, vai ser chique. Ó, tem até storyboards aqui, ó. Main storyboard e launch screen storyboard, ó. Tem um view controller aqui. Eu não lembro como é que faz pra criar no relógio, se usa view controller também. Isso aí é fácil, quer ver? Tudo local. Tem o Claude aberto aqui. Liga. E um pequeno widget para rodar no desse app. Parada lá chamada test fly, parece que ele lança em beta. Ah, sim, sim. É alguma coisa. Flight? Flight? Test flight, né? É flight, eu acho. O que ele tá falando aqui? Ah, lá, ele vai tentar dar o hot restart, ó. Ele vai dar um echo R, acessando com netcat no localhost na Não, ele não vai dar certo isso aqui. Yeah. Matou. Ele vai matar e vai restartar. Mas eu não gosto que ele restarta. Só mate. Eu não precisa nem só pedir pra ele matar. Só apertar aqui. Ask. Pashes. Kill. Kill, 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 kill. Me deu o comando para rodar. Ah, já achei. Abre uma nova aqui. Cola. Ah, tá na pasta errada. Ah, eu abri na pasta errada ali aquela hora também. Aqui, né? Aí ele vai achar. Olha lá. Se liga. Widget para Apple Watch pro Claude. Abrir o projeto no. Configuração do projeto, WatchOS. Abrir o projeto iOS no Xcode, já me lascou. Lá no Target. New Target App. Configurar o bundles IDs. Blá blá blá. Implementação de comunicação. Criar um método. Um channel para comunicação. Listeners, para atualizações de conexão. Desenvolvimento do Apple Switch UI. Telas principais. Pô, ele vai criar essas mesmas telas lá. Caralho. Complicações. Circular modular, status de conexão atual. Graphic Corner. Unidade de widgets. Utilizar a lista de resto salvo, identificador. Tap para iniciar a conexão. Notificação quando a conexão cai. Sincronização automática para hotstop. Ficou bem básico, mas a gente. Ele vai criar esses paranauê aqui. Hotkit. Vai adicionar o info playlist, atualizar ele. Ah, sim. A comunicação tem que ser relógio, iPhone e SSH. Só vai relógio e SSH. Ah, não, sim, claro. Tem 4G. Não, a ideia é usar com celular mesmo. Eu acho que não dá pra fazer tudo no celular. O digital, SSH para primeira configuração. Dá, na verdade, dá se tiver a versão web, dá sim. Aí a pessoa loga com o login e ela puxa todas as configurações. Configura no computador primeiro ou pelo celular, depois baixa tudo no celular. Tem relógio que tem? Eu não tenho, só tenho. Aí já ajuda pra caralho também. Wi-Fi. Easy. Quatro lugares tem Wi-Fi? Eu não vou dar sim aqui porque fazer na sua máquina isso aqui. Na sua máquina vai ser top. Ele ia criar tudo aqui, os Paranauê. Beleza. Launching Flutter. Qual que é o. Olha lá o Hot Reload aqui, ó. R. A, a porta. Será que ele já abriu automático? Esse, né? 45571. Hum. Sacanagem a falta de clareza, né? Nossa, aqui. Isso. Queria acessar esse shell. Não consigo mais acessar esse shell. Beleza. Eu rodava só Chrome. Esse. Vou fingir que esse aqui que tá funcionando. Ah, Lu, Jerry. Oh, Lu. Demora tudo isso mesmo? Tirar uma chavezinha? Ih, vixe. Hum, bonito o log aqui. É, acho que tá no looping aqui. Dá um R aqui. R. Ó, o reload é rápido, hein? F5. Acho que ele criou. Cadê? Acho que ele criou. Ou eu tô na porta errada. Olha lá, criou. Erro biométrico. Eu pedi pra ele ter biometria, né? Aí eu faço assim, ó, dou um print aqui. Colo aqui. Fala assim, parece que gerou, mas ficou loading eterno. 5 e tá pedindo biometria. Mas estou no Chrome. Vira, nego. Então eu vou ter que copiar. Ele vai gerar a chave privada. Vou ter que copiar a chave pública e botar no meu servidor. Ó, tap keyboard icon to show special keys. Onde tá? Ah, o SSH. Ó, a chave tá aqui. Olha o Startup Commands. Você tá maluco? É isso que eu preciso. Agora tá errado. Você tá doido. Quero ver, velho. Quero o provider para tornar a biometria opcional na web. Me diz na. Ele fez errado. A biometria para criptografar chave privada dentro do celular. Para meter o dedo na biometria. Ah, não, na verdade, é os dois, né? Criptografar, mas também fazer login. Ó, no outro projeto aqui, ó. Arrumou todos os erros. Arrumou tudo. Ó, até colar lá na Gardens. Que era esse aqui que eu ia colar? Ah, tá, esquece. Tá, vou ter que comentar amanhã esse. Biometria. Tá. Opcional. Quer dizer que agora se eu vir aqui e apertar R, e fiz o reload. You fix all the tests already? Parabéns pelos 747 inscritos. Boa, depois te chamo no zap. Mano, eu vou lá. Boa, vai lá. Bom descanso, valeu pela interação. Thanks. Virou? Lucas. Lucas. Ó o looping. Ó. 20. Ele, ó, fica assim, ó. Fica assim. Ó. Ele vai entender. Ah, criou. Minto. Demorou muito, mas foi. Foi. Valeu. Native socket is not supported in the web. Use Dart's SSD in your browser. You have to bring your own implementation of SS socket. Tá. Isso significa que agora a gente vai ter que rodar no telefone. Vamos rodar no Android mesmo. Vou instalar SDK. Ele vai investigar também porque tá lento. É... Run force test. Deixa ele rodar todos os testes aqui. Passando. Hum. Tô pensando que tá faltando testes aqui. 41, 6, 5, 3, 20, 20. 60. Certo, 90. Port coverage. Foi a cobertura. Hum. Depois eu vejo isso aqui amanhã. Esse aqui. Feedback usado load durante a geração. Substituir celular. Aplicativo. Adicionar mensagens como diferentes criptografia. Manter o usuário. Demora mesmo. Tá bom. Teca. Faz cálculo pesado. Criação automática. Host. Só ficou bom. Isso. Tá lá nativo agora. Android 11, API 30. Casado, né? Vai dar 14 já. Downloads. Ah, mesmo do Java Home. Eu vou correr. Corrige. Vai dar um export, velho. Sendo no Android, a primeira compilação pode demorar um pouco. O Grotto precisa baixar dependências do computador. Minutos da primeira vez. Erro. Ele quer matar aqui. Processo aqui. Matar esse. Trabalho. Na primeira compilação ele precisa baixar. Leva 2 horas. Aqui a gente cancela. No widgets. Aqui. Ah, é, já. Eu não sei se eu instalo assim. Ou é o que ele sugeriu fazer. Vai. Aí. Acho que já baixou o SDK. Viu o Vestes, né? Aqui mostra tudo, né? Quando ele terminar, ele vai abrir meu celular, eu acho. Creio eu. Tá assistindo aí? Who is there watching us? Português ou em English? Type in the chat. It's too long. Too long to go. Oh, okay, okay. Shiz. Oh, that's done. That's the old one. Oh, nice. NDK. Native. Some error. Some error. Ele falhou aqui. License not accepted. Oh boy. Accept the license. On to. Okay, SDK manager license. I see now. Hmm. SDK. Right. Okay, same tools. Maybe they're gonna do for us. Maybe. Mm-hmm. Vai procurar. Search for Android SDK. I think that SDK is old. Very old one. We're gonna download stuff. Temp file. Zip. Look at the sound. They have a timeout in 1 minute. See? Let's see, let's see. Oh, yes. Hmm. Something's not right. I was trying to avoid to download Android Studio. But like I need to download the SDK. Really? Can I? Yeah, I think I have in coastal location. User lib Android SDK platform. Not that the path. Ah, just the yeah, I need to install stuff. Yeah, command line I just downloaded. Nice. So I can use SDK manager to go full path. Can I download this? Because the name says SDK manager. Can I SDK manager? Okay, maybe list. I install something, right? Avail updates. So install 28, available 36. Yeah. How I update it? Oh, see in the case here. I remember now. Install packets. I have 1028. Old SDK. I install the last version. I think it's update. Then I go yes, then that fail. And what it is? SDK. I see. I think it's too old. So how can you remove? Install. Plot. Maybe just uninstall. Then the list. Date. Yes. And still. Yeah. Favorite problem? I think it's because I have old platform tools version that's not dating. Can we remove this again? It's taking more time to configure, set up stuff to can building. Also, let's put Java home. Let's see. Answers. Yes. Put F4. Okay. Another 2 and Flutter. Okay. Let's fix this. Yes. First, it's not right home. Yeah. Look at the version 2018. Damn. That has gonna fail. Except cancel. Oh, property file. Yes, too old. Delete. Yes. Maybe. No permission. Oh boy, I think I'm gonna clean everything. Oh, maybe. Uh-huh. Oh, I see. We maybe have multiple. Oh, okay. You're gonna repeat? Oh no. Nice. Okay, list. Ah, because I need source. Okay, now I think it's working. Check. Go list. Yes. Replatform. Finally, I feel that that's weird way. Sudo from because in sudo the Java home is different. Export every time. You're gonna install 34. Oh, they should be installing 36. Mine it's API 30, right? But it is. Oh, to run inside. Little phone. Right, they're gonna build again. Oh, nice. It's not running, right? Or I need to be inside of. I see. Permission problems. Permissions problem. Oh, why they stop with sudo? They said it was the default, but a lie. I'm gonna suggest change. Yeah, option one, no ideal. Two, okay, have enough space. Ah, 20 G. Okay, 100 megabytes only. Okay, option two. Option two. Should be fast. Folder created. Let's see the connection happening. Oh, they're gonna use sudo copy. Not bad. The same. Okay, use copy. If I cancel, right? If I cancel, the moving. Take some. Oh, did you? Oh, nice. Finally. I think it's NDK, it's native. I don't remember. And maybe I need the emulator too. I don't know. Okay, done. Hey, gonna launch in my phone. Second, I think. Here. You register after. Waitless. App in home. Default route. In. Also build return a widget. Then we have some host that came from hmm. That's created automatically. Come providers. I create a provider. Who's provider? Ah, I see. That's a global. All variables is global. Not because it's that's it. So they create a state notifier provider. We have our reference other provider. Turn the notifier. Fire class. Okay, all this stuff to return. Ooh. Yeah. Here also use attach or new. Attach in the name. So create a host. 5 minutes if fail. Let's try. We're gonna need to go sleep. I see some serious problem because I see make. Probably my SD card, maybe it's IM. I have CMake, but not in PyEnv. Says PyEnv. Why they try to use PyEnv? Make. Oh, CMake in machines. I'm gonna create a link. List link symbolic link. Then check. Okay, I'm gonna compare. I think it's gonna be more fast. A little bit more because they don't need to download any decay again. Okay, let's hope that's gonna work. I did. Python. Okay, let's see the Gradle. Gradle. The that one. Have plugins. Then I have Android. Okay, do this. Oh, coverage. Overall coverage 32%. Statements, branches, main contract good coverage, diamonds. Excellent, good descent, disputes, zero coverage. Utility libraries, conviction utils, excellent. Diamond configurator, key insights, excellent. All function of artifice tests, zero. Or function voting logic, it's well tested. Nice. Um, okay. Can we test going? Ah, we changed it right. Mm, I could like fix the coverage for facet, but see here. Still thinking. Let's open the cursor. Because I want to see. I want to see the configurator. We are using base, right? We all what? Storage? Yeah. We're using that, right? Storage gap is from maybe here. Maybe strategy. Yeah, so slow. That's for the remove it. Three interfaces. Interfaces. Is okay. Also not. Wait. Delegated. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. But don't make any sense. Why that one don't have? we keep right lateral watts. Yeah, collateral. Okay, just see. I think it's correct. Wow, eternity. Long time. Yeah, but I think that's the way because it probably is using CMake for dark. Yeah, configurator, I want to say. What's the configurator do? Diamond configurator. There is tests. Mm. See, we have all the facets. Then we have the cuts function. Good. I think I cannot import that one because of looping. Perfect. Perfect. Solid. Solid. Let's commit quickly and then go to next config. Damn. Taking forever. All the time out is 10 minutes. Okay. No. You're gonna try kill, right? Don't try kill me. Normal. How I check the progress? How I check the progress? Mm-hmm. Yeah, gonna sleep. Gonna go sleep and see tomorrow. The problem is I can't. Can I disconnect my phone? They're gonna keep me working. Oh, in the terminal. It works. Remove the space. What's wrong? Don't have log. Hmm. Native apps. Build log. Nautilus. Let's see now. Fast to go in and go in out. Output logs. Life cycle. Empty. Yeah. Do storage. Assets. Reports. Problems. Firefox, no. Problems. Okay, let's copy. Trust. Problem. I don't know. I can cancel, try again. Ah, I can run with Strack. Trace. Or info. Warnings. Okay. Warnings. I think we have more than 10 minutes. Better run with the I think E for debug, right? Variables. Oh. Cancel variables. Okay, nice. Nice. Now, yeah, vertical CMake. It now makes sense call now can sleep. If they get some error, they can continue and they can check it my phone tomorrow. Let's log. So yeah, let's close here. I think I can remove my phone. Yeah, now it's logging. Okay, I hope that's done. It started compacting. You're gonna waste all my tokens? No, correct. I think they're gonna check the variables. So we can go tail and stop the. Yeah, it's still making. Think whatever. Okay, that was the live. I hope you guys like it. Knowing that you can use Cloud Code iPhone, and I have the link for the post about that in my LinkedIn. That's gonna take forever. I'm gonna cancel. Kill the bashes. Kill. Kill. Because I think that's something. Also gonna disconnect my phone. Let's try connect once, then run the build. Then when they stop and this make, I'm gonna remove. It's because yeah, now I think it's possible. Moved. They probably gonna get some error later on, but here. Oh yes. The version and top the limit. And the git comment, please work, changes to commit, implement, remove. Every time they try to do that. Every time. Every time you forgot. Try put that. Okay. In memory. Okay. Refactor. Yes. Over. Yes, gonna apply for member. They can kick member. Power manage if another. Oh, spread to dimension. Cool. Hmm. We don't have already power. Decrease. Hmm. Let's go back into it. We have two. They are the same. They are different. We nice. And then that we can clean. Here we're gonna wait for that one. So I'm gonna close that, and here in the safe, it's working. Let's create E2E test for UI. And okay, thank you guys, and see you. I don't know soon. Let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow with that project meeting. I'm gonna finish that in my stuff for going to bed. No, do my food technology, my mobile.